My beautiful sisters, I want you to understand that Cyril's economy is very expensive, so there is nothing called free lunch or free peas in this economy. When someone spends on you, you must know that they're expecting something in return. And it's wise to respect yourself and not even accept anything that comes from a man that you don't even know. Even if you know them, but don't allow them to spend on you, because once they spend on you, they will feel like they're entitled to you and they're entitled to your body. Ngiyacela mntana sekhaya, please respect yourself. I've seen Faith on Metro FM talking to Amachita, which is this the current culture? Yes, the culture is very wrong, Faith. I agree with you. It's very, very wrong. Very wrong. But my thing is also we must teach our sisters. We must not only reprimand boys, we must also reprimand sisters from accepting imali, accepting utshwala bomuntu abazi kahle ukuthi they are not going to offer him anything in return. Nathi bobhuti, we need to understand that we are not saviors in taverns or clubs. If someone came there broke, let them drink water. Let them drink water. You don't have to spoil them, because at the end of the day, you'll feel entitled to them and end up like this brother of ours who decided to act stupid and kill these ladies instead of letting them go. 10 Tower was irreplaceable than the life that he's going to spend in prison, as they claim that he spent 10 Tower on them. Even though for me, when I was looking at him, like, I don't see 10 Tower here, guys. Honestly speaking, I don't want to lie. But sisters, please, bantwana basekhaya, please, bantwana bakamama, understand ukuthi there is nothing called free peas or free lunch in Cyril's economy. Things are very expensive. Life on its own is very expensive. So ngiyanicela, if you know that you don't have money, stay at home or go and drink water. Don't go to tavern uthi uyobona phambili ukuthi uyobuya ngani. Don't go to tavern uthi uyobona phambili ukuthi uyophuzana, because you must know that if you do that, you will have to submit your body. And once you refuse to submit your body, then that's where the issue starts. Ngiyanicela bantwana basekhaya, if unganamali hlala kini mntakama. When God allows, when you have money, uzohamba uyoyijayivela ngoba unithanda ubumnanda ngisho. So ngiyacela mntakama, please guys, nifaka buhlungu man, nifaka buhlungu. May the beautiful souls of these two sisters rest in peace, Shem. I hope and believe that their parents will get closure and they will move on with their lives, even though it's not going to be easy. Yeah, ne?